So we will be seeing few slides which we saw in introduction now. I'll just run fast, go through it quickly when it comes. So based on the teachings of His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, founder Acharya of International Society for Krishna Consciousness. So everyone wants to be for what? Why you want? Ultimate is happiness. Everyone is doing everything to get happiness. Ask anyone. You all came here expecting happiness, and those who didn't come also, they didn't come expecting happiness somewhere else. வராதவங்களும் சந்தோஷத்தை வேற எங்கேயோ எதிர்பார்த்து வராமல் இருந்தாங்க. இங்கே வந்தவங்களும் சந்தோஷம் இங்கே இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு எதிர்பார்த்து இருக்கீங்க. You are hearing, expecting that you get happiness. I am speaking, expecting that I get happiness by speaking. So everybody does everything expecting happiness. Of course, we study, we are not happy just from books, but our happiness is, we'll see what's our happiness, why we are studying. So anyone in this world doing anything, ultimate goal is to get happiness. Ask anyone. Just go to the street, stop someone, ask where you are going. I am going to cinema theatre. For what? To get happiness. Another fellow, stop. Where you are going? I am going to house. For what? To get happiness. Where are you going to meet my friend? For what? To get happiness. So everybody does everything to get happiness. So therefore, we all study. We study expecting that we get happiness. We get job expecting that we get happiness. We get married expecting that we'll get happiness. And then we realize that problems begins now. So everybody does every activity, okay? So now these slides we have seen, so I'll just go fast. So therefore all these inventions have taken place to give us happiness. So I'll just go fast because we saw all these things today or yesterday. So people are unhappy. This is not our statistics, but this is what's shown in the gun sales, murders, rape, divorce. So, drug users in Europe. So, what's happening? Before finishing school, an average child watches 8,000 murders, 1 lakh acts of violence. And then, what is the another main subject of the movies or serials or TV or radio or SMS or one is violence. Another thing is, sweet word. L-O-V-E. Love is true, but we will understand tomorrow and in the day after tomorrow's class that what is real L-O-V-E and what is today L-O-V-E. Is it really L-O-V-E or L-U-S-T? Love or lust. We will understand more in coming subjects. So love, at least they say it is love. So love and fight. These two things are the subject matters of all the things going on. So we saw these things. So now when input is like this, if every day we hear subjects of violence from our friends, subjects of sex from our friends, we see that, we hear that, we think that, we do meditation on that, we study that, we receive a message about that. When we call, the dialer tune is about that. When we see an advertisement, it is about that. When we see a TV, it's about that. When we see a cinema, it's about that. So every sense is absorbed in this. And now, so all inputs are like this. And now output, we expect that everything should be peaceful. And we want bliss, true happiness. So input எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படிதான். So input you do all wrong masala and output you expect everything to be pure. Sorry, that will not happen, right? You put all wrong masalas while to cook sambar and nalla suvayana sambar, sarvana bhavan sambar, smell bannu, not possible. So therefore, you have to work out on few things, okay? So now, all these things we saw, right? So I'm going very fast, you have not forgotten. So are we really advancing in the right direction? Leading meaningful life is the subject today. Where did we go wrong? Was there any problem in the science? Or was there a problem with the people who misused the science? So where was the problem? Okay, any solution? Anybody likes to give some comments? Where is the problem? Some people say prayer for peace will give us happiness. Okay, how many of you agree to it? Please raise your hand. Prayer for peace will give us happiness. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 50%. How many of you say this will not help? Raise your hand. Another 50%. Okay, give reason for why you said yes and why you said no. Yeah, start giving reasons. Why you said no? Okay, tell.
At that instant, that would be okay.
Huh?
Praying at that instant, it will be okay. But while completing that, only situations changes.
So pray பண்ணும்போது நல்லா இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு. கோயிலை விட்டு வெளில வந்த உடனே something else comes in the mind. Some people go to temple for same thing. Right? கோயிலுக்கே வேற காரணத்துக்கு போவாங்க. I appreciate. Pray பண்ணும்போது நல்லா இருக்கிற மாதிரி தெரியுது, but again mind gets disturbed. So prayer alone, I don't think so will help.
So praying for a child who is injured by a terrorist and she is bleeding there. We are praying here means does not mean anything. It means insane. We are fool. But helping that child, giving some money, some moral response to the child means a lot. We don't need to pray. We just need to serve our work.
Okay, thank you, Arvind. Fiery answer. Understood. What is the use simply praying? Poor fellow is suffering. Go and help him, and by that he will be happy and you will be happy. Both of you will get satisfaction. It's logical. Okay. Any other answers? Tell. Why you said prayer will help? Evidence. Okay, tell why it will not help.
நம்ம அமைதி கிடைக்கும், நம்ம வேண்டும், அதெல்லாம் ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு மாதிரி நினைப்பாங்க. நம்ம இதுதான் கிடைக்கும் சொல்ல முடியாது. ஸோ நம்ம ப்ரே பண்ணது நம்ம ப்ளீஸ் தருதுன்னு ஒருத்தர் நினச்சாங்கன்னா அப்போ மட்டும்தான் அது இருக்க மாட்டோம். ஓகே, நமக்கு அது அவங்கள பொறுத்தது தானே.
எல்லாரும் என்ன சொல்லுங்க
அப்படின்னு சொல்ல வரல, நான் நினைக்கிறது அப்படி அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவேன். ஸோ எனக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாத மாதிரி தோணுது. நம்ம பண்ணி அது போய் சேருதா கரெக்டான இடத்துக்கு நம்ம பண்ணுறது கரெக்டா அப்படின்னு நமக்கு தெரியறதில்ல. நம்ம பண்ணுறது கரெக்டா, அது போய் கரெக்டாக சேருதா, அதுக்கான நிலை வருதா அப்படிங்கிறது நமக்கு தெரியறதில்ல. ஸோ அதனால நான் வந்து இதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறதில்ல அப்படின்னு சொன்னேன்.
Any other suggestions? Anybody else like to give some comments? Okay, thank you. Please come. So now, actually, I am also for people who said that prayer alone is not sufficient. Prayer helps, but that alone is not sufficient. Prayer is good, but adu mattume pathadu. Why? Simple example. Now you have your semester exam coming next month or after 2 months. So now you don't study all throughout your regular school, regular classes. You don't study nicely. And now, after exams, obviously you get fail marks, and now results come that you have failed, and now you are going and praying to our dear HOD sir, please help me sir, help me sir. We are begging, we are doing puja, so doing all sorts of techniques to attract His mercy. So, what is the use? என்ன சொல்வார்? என்கிட்ட ரெண்டு என்னடா பேசணும்? சொல்லிக் கொடுத்த பாடத்தை தினமும் படிச்சிருந்தா யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்திருக்கும். நீ அப்போ படிக்காம விட்டுட்டு இப்போ வந்து பாஸ் மார்க் போட்டு நடந்துச்சு எடுக்கல, வாட் இஸ் த யூஸ்? ஸோ just praying like this will not help. So teacher will say that first go and do what I told you to do. So similarly what happens with us, செய்கிற பாவத்தை எல்லாத்தையும் செஞ்சுட்டு கஷ்டம் வரும்போது that time we go to God. God, please save. We try our best and we get failed, we get defeated, we get beaten up, and then at last we say, okay, maybe some power is there, let me try out, check out. Click on a click out, who knows, maybe to click. With faith, without faith. So then they pray God. Arindum Mariamulam, Terindum Teriyamalam, saying the Sakara Kuchangalai, all these mantras, techniques, Ayavas, Rakavas, they chant this famous shloka. And everybody chants also, Arindum Mariamulam, Terindum Teriyamalam. How is this? In fact, Teriyamalam na kuda okay. தெரிஞ்சு செஞ்சிருக்கோம், ஓகே, beg forgiveness, no problem. எல்லாருமே தப்பு செய்யாமல் இருக்க முடியாது. So once you do, you ask forgiveness. ஒரு தடவை செஞ்சு மன்னிப்பு, ரெண்டாவது தடவை, மூணாவது தடவை. But how many times? So God also is telling same thing. Now you are coming and asking forgiveness. Appreciate. You are better than atheist. Nastik and you better. That rascal will never come to me. He thinks he can manage his life. But at least you appreciate, you are understanding that I am there and I can do some help to you. And knowledge, I appreciate you. But just praying will not help. Pray pandrathu is good, but along with that prayer, நான் நீ வாழ்க்கையில் எப்படி வாழணும் அப்படின்றத நான் சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கேன். அதையும் நீ லைஃப்ல ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும், தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். So there are so much of law codes, law codes that we have to understand and follow it in our life. So these law books are Bhagavad Gita or Bible or Quran, any authorized scriptures is the law books for us. And we have to understand how many of us are reading them. Which one you are reading? Bhagavad Gita? Bible. See, only one student we have who read Bible. Otherwise, how many of us are reading? 50 வயசு கழிச்சு பார்த்துக்கலாம் சார். 50 வயசு கழிச்சு எப்படி வாழணும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்து என்னமா போயிடும். பார்க்கறதுக்கு முதல்ல கண்ணு இருக்கா தெரியணும். அது வரைக்கும் வாழுவோமா? அடுத்த கொஸ்டின். வாழணும்னா கண்ணு தெரியுதா பார்க்கணும். அப்புறம் படிச்சு என்ன பிரயோஜனம், எப்படி வாழணும் அப்படின்றது 50 வயசு கழிச்சு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்ட what is the use? So at least I can appreciate him. At least he is reading every day. How many of us are reading? And again, there are so many misinterpretations. So just prayer is not going to help us. Along with the prayer, we have to follow what God wants us to do. So we will see more about this. So here our Acharya Srila Prabhupada says, how can you expect peace in dog society? ஒரு நாய்களுடைய சமுதாயத்தில் அமைதியை எப்படி எதிர்பார்க்கிறீங்க? Say you bring 5 dogs from 5 roads, 5 dogs from GCE and 5 dogs from Karpur, and put everyone in this room and ask them to have round table conference. In a round table conference, so what do you expect? No? Peaceful agenda. Everybody pass resolution peacefully, voting will be done. What do you expect? Chanting Hare Krishna? What do you expect? They all will fight each other, right? We'll see. So, I was shocked when I heard this also. So, human life is not meant to live like cats and dogs. Come on, sir. See? Nice shirts, nice jeans pants, hairstyle. I don't have. I'm telling you, may say. Hairstyle I have. different styles. They have nice glasses, nice watches, nice borders, and French beards. So you may say, a gentleman. How do you say that? I'm a dog, I'm a cat. That's analyzed. So human beings only two-legged, sophisticated, deluxe edition of animals, or is he in any way superior to animals? Let us analyze what we are doing. So we are busy with 4 things in our life. நான்கு விஷயம் நம்மளுக்கும் மிருகத்துக்கும் is a common thing. What are those 4 things? சாப்பிடுவது, தூங்குவது, உடலோடு வச்சுக்கிறது, differently. Eating, sleeping, mating differently. So animals also do eating, sleeping, mating, and differently. So these 4 things are common between humans and animals. Now I'll ask you a question. Now tell me, இந்த 4 விஷயத்துக்கு அப்பாற்பட்டு மனுஷன் வேற என்னெல்லாம் பண்றான் அப்படிங்கறத please give me thinking. Okay. Can somebody write down? Write down. Who's you are writing? Discrimination power. Okay, discrimination power. Anyone? Discrimination power. Laughing. Talking. Okay. Feelings. 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 என்ன சொன்னீங்க? Studying. What studying? Sir, படிக்கணும் சார். Come on.
சார் நல்லது எது கெட்டது?
Praying. Okay. நல்லது எது கெட்டது is discrimination power. Analyzing. பகுத்தறிவு. Cheating. No. Working. See, my question was, எந்த விதத்துல மனுஷன் மிருகத்தை விட சிறந்தவனா இருக்கிறான் அப்படின்னு கேள்வி கேட்டால் சிலர் எந்த விதத்துல இன்னும் கேவலமா இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. So please don't misunderstand the question. I am asking the other way. In which way humans are better? So please understand the question. Dressing. Dress போட்டுருக்கோம் சார். Helping. Wow. You have choices for same 4 things. Okay. So we have few choices. We can choose jockey, playboy. So many varieties of underwears are there. Okay. Multiple choices are there. Right now. Multiple choices. Okay. Any other answers? Any other answers? Sorry, please. Discovering new items. Thank you. Inventions. Control. Control ourselves. Controlling. That's all. Playing. Okay, play. Anything else? That's all. That's all. Okay. So I will now defeat one by one. So please read the first one.
Discrimination power.
Discrimination power. So how many of you say that animals don't have discrimination power? Please raise your hands. Discrimination power means பகுத்தறிவு. எது நல்லது எது சொல்லுங்க. So மிருகங்களுக்கு எது நல்லது எது கெட்டது தெரியாது சார். நீங்க எத்தனை பேர் சொல்றீங்க? How do you say that? How do you say that? They don't have 6 sense. Okay, we found out at last we have 6 sense. Please write down. See, we have 6 sense. You forgot, no? So they don't have 6 sense. I agree. But how do you say that they don't have discrimination power? Give some example. Our instructions. நம்ம சொல்றதுதான் செய்யும். என்ன சொன்னாலும் சுதந்திரமா செய்ய தெரியாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். not more than human. In what way? Give some example, that's what I'm asking. Regarding this aspect of நல்லது and கெட்டது.
இப்போ நான் ஒரு 20 வச்சுருக்கேன். அது 23 வச்சுருக்கேன். அவங்க வந்து இப்போ இதுலேருந்து எனக்கு பதலாம் பண்ணுவோம். அது வந்து இன்னொருத்தர் வந்து என்ன நார்மல் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்ணாங்கன்னா
Okay. So in that sense you say it doesn't have to, but I heard that dogs faithful, right? I heard dogs are more faithful. Okay, we'll work out how much we are following that we will have to also. Okay, we'll come to that. So discrimination power. Okay, so our friend, can you tell your name? Arun Prabhu. So Arun Prabhu, as he said, humans can do more. They may have, but humans can do more. But let's see. My question was how much we go beyond these 4 things. Now, discrimination power. Even animals also have discrimination power. You know, ஒரு மாட்டுக்கு தெரியும் எங்க போனா எனக்கு சாஃப்ட் கிராஸ் கிடைக்கும், எங்க போனா ஃப்ரெஷ் ஃபுட் கிடைக்கும், எங்க போனா எனக்கு ஹார்ட் கிராஸ் கிடைக்கும். It knows and it goes there and eats. A cat knows எந்த இடத்துக்கு போனா எந்த நேரத்துக்கு போனா கரெக்டா எனக்கு சாப்பாடு கிடைக்கும். It comes. So it has discrimination power. எங்க போனா எனக்கு உத கிடைக்கும். And it doesn't go. A dog has discrimination power. Who is my master? Who is my enemy? So if enemy comes, it barks. If master comes, it loves. So அதுக்கும் பகுத்தறிவு இருக்கு. So it can discriminate what is good eating for me, what is not good eating for me. ஒரு நாய்க்கு ரொம்ப கெட்ட உணவு கொடுத்தா சாப்பிடாது. It discriminates. It's not good for me. So for sleeping again, animals discriminate. Which place to sleep, which is more softer, which is sleep well mattress, which is ordinary cement floor. So it also chooses the best place. So we also have discrimination. Okay, I'll come back to it. Let me finish. Discrimination, right? Okay. So where we know whom we can propose, whom we can approach, to whom we can make, they also have discrimination. Oh, actually they don't have discrimination because they have sex with everyone. No? Correct? They don't discriminate. Correct, Abba? Pigs and dogs, they have sex with? No discrimination. Father, mother, children, brothers, boy, girl. But I heard even we are nowadays like that. How about that? Huh? Okay.
They have breeding period.
Huh?
They have a breeding period. They breed up to that, but we don't have that.
So we are better or worse?
First,
Yes. Thank you very much for supporting me. Aravind is on my side. So now you see how much we are, sometimes it happens, that, okay, you may say, come on sir, நாய் வந்து நடு ரோட்ல எந்த ஒரு பக்கத்துலவே இல்லாம, but at least we are decent, no? But when a boy sees a girl, maybe not like dog immediately goes behind. First he will send an SMS, romance, a card, then he will send an email. There is a joke. God created male and female, and we created email to unite each other. So we may do it in a sophisticated way, arrange a nice apartment, and secretly. Actually, we have more troubles. Better animal life. How much struggles we have to do to have wrong thing. But animals can enjoy easily, So better to be, if you want to enjoy like that, better to be animals because it's more easy. So nowadays we also have more discrimination power. So much rights they are claiming, this rights, that rights, and nowadays it's coming gay rights, homosexuality, no discrimination, brother, sister, sometimes parents, horrible. This is worse than animals, as our argument said. And so how much about this? Okay, we'll discuss more. So discrimination power. Okay, what is the next point? Laughing. Have you not seen so many animals beautifully smelling? Horses, cows. At least you should see your friends laughing. Huh? How do you say animals don't laugh? Come on. Most of them can understand. The next point. Next point. Huh? Talking. Talking. We talk among human species. One dog have communication with another dog. So communication is here and communication is there also. Correct? Everywhere. Studying. Okay. Toppers of Salem. Why you are all studying here? Very level. Bali. Okay, tell me, why you are all studying now? Time pass? Huh? For your career. Means? To increase knowledge? Okay. Career, increase knowledge. Again? To earn money. This is the sincere answer. Everything else is cheating. Cheating means same thing in different words. Just terminology different. The ultimate is because without money there is no honey. Money is honey. Without money there is no honey, no happiness. Because everything is money. So ultimately we are studying to earn money. Otherwise there is no other. Who said knowledge? But that's cheating. Anyway, he himself agreed later. Because if knowledge is the point, knowledge தான் உண்மை அதுக்காக படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னா tomorrow if you get placed in some company and the HR comes, the owner comes and he says, okay, I will give you all facilities freely, I will give all facilities freely, you work hard 24/7, you increase your knowledge as much as you want, but don't ask salary. How many of you will take that offer? I don't think so. Anybody will take, right? So ultimately, money. But why you need money? Happiness. Means you need money to eat, to sleep, to make, to defend. ஆனா ஒரு நாய் வந்து அல்லது ஒரு பன்னி GCE ல மெக்கானிக்கல்ல படிக்கிறது கிடையாது. கரெக்ட்? பன்னி படிக்குதா? இல்ல. Or for that matter, metallurgy also. You have any pigs there studying? No. Or any every department. But it is also eating, it is also sleeping, it is also mating, it is also doing. நம்ம படிச்சு கிழிக்கிறத அது படிக்காம கிழிக்கிறது. இது கிழிக்கிறதுக்கு வேற நம்ம லோன் வேற வாங்குறோம். அதுக்கு லோன் இல்ல. Sometimes it's more happy, at least it doesn't have loan. We poor fellows, we get loans, we struggle a lot, and whole life goes in paying back the loans. So, any objection? Okay, yes. Who are telling yes? Please tell. What is objection? No objection. Agree. That's all. Surrender. Sincere students. Next one.
Praying.
We'll discuss last. Praying alone we put last. But again, how many of us pray sincerely? How many of us going to temples sincerely? That's a big question. And moreover, again praying for eating, sleeping, mating, defending. What is the use? Animals anyway they get that. Animals, a dog doesn't pray, but it is also eating, sleeping, mating, defending. A prayer fellow. How many years, right? Prayer is nearby. So a prayer, Karpur area, GCE area, and the dog in GCE, immediately it will start shouting, hey, this is my dustbin. How much rights you have to come to my dustbin? Area, we have to run. Immediately, if it barks, then it will all call for committee conference. Then all the GCE dogs comes together, and that 5 roach dogs goes back and it forms committee. And then tomorrow, both the dogs come each other. Group attack will be there. So they have also committee, just like we have all these Buffalo Club, Lions Club, all these clubs. Rotary Club, Leo Club. So just like we all have our clubs, I'm sorry, this is okay. So this was just for a joke. So just like we help each other, we scratch each other's back. Other animals, they help each other. A Karpur dog will help another Karpur dog. and a 5-year-old dog will help another 5-year-old dog. But then any problem between areas, then they come together and they fight each other. So they also help their friends and fight with their friends. And we also do the same thing. We help our friends and we fight with them. So what's the difference? Next. Inventions. Amazing. Yeah, this we have to take time to understand. So we invented so many things, yes. So really one needs so much intelligence to invent all these wireless, connections and projectors, and screens, cameras. We are not so fools, to say that it's all useless. Only fools can do all these things. We are not so fools. We are not so fools, okay? So we appreciate. It's there. But our question is, inventions பண்ணோம். இந்த இன்வென்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் எதுக்கு பயன்படுத்திட்டு இருக்கோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, we use all these inventions for better eating, better sleeping, better mating, better defending. So who we are? Better animals. Advanced eating, advanced sleeping, advanced mating, advanced defending. So who we are? Advanced animals. That's all. So above this animalistic platform, we should raise. So how it is possible? So say if it is very hot, we invented AC so that we get some cool atmosphere. But if it goes and sleeps in the water. So நம்ம செயற்கையா சுகத்தை தேடுறோம், அது இயற்கையா சுகத்தை தேடுறோம். But everybody is getting their happiness. So all this technological advancement is there, but in the நான்கு விஷயத்துக்கு அப்பாற்பட்டு ஏதாவது பண்றோமா? So I have to give you explanation about this concept, fearing or defending. Defending அப்படின்னா தற்காத்து கொள்ளுதல், self defense, protection. So தற்காத்து. So why we study, why we work hard, ultimately our purpose is to do these four things. இந்த நான்கு விஷயத்துக்கு அப்பாற்பட்டு ஏதாவது இருக்கா அப்படிங்கறத இப்ப அனலைஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். பல ஆன்சர்ஸ் சொன்னீங்க. One by one I am explaining that animals also do same thing.
Self-control.
Self-control. Self-control is true, but how many of them have self-control? Self-control, how many of them have? One poster is enough, no? To create all damage in the life. Terula or poster go. All mind will 7 days. Concentration, focus, meditation. Very good. Next. Play. Play is for entertainment, but animals, they have their own entertainments. So we cannot deny that. Sixth sense. After all struggle, we understood that. Sir, actually we have sixth sense. I forgot that. Sir, come on, we have sixth sense. So sixth sense, yes, we have. But how we are using, that's important. Say we have an AC here, or AC use பண்ணாம வெச்சிருந்தோம்னா, what is the use having it? So sixth sense, okay, we are having, but அதை பயன்படுத்தி லைஃப்ல எதை சாதிச்சுட்டு இருக்கோம், எதை செஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கோம் அப்படிங்கறத என்னுடைய கேள்வி. அந்த கேள்விக்கு தான் இது வரைக்கும் ஆன்சர் வருது. My question is how we are better than animals. Sixth sense we have, I agree. But on the sixth sense I use பண்ணி, apart from these four things, இந்த நான்கு விஷயத்துக்கு அப்பாற்பட்டு what we are doing. That's all. So everybody of you agree that we are animals? No? Okay, if you say no, then give me answers. We are having sixth sense. No, right? Huh? I am using properly, but I am asking about others. I know I am using properly, but I am asking about others. Okay, wait. Okay, I appreciate you, I encourage you. Just because you came for science of self-realization class, you have also started using sixth sense. But those who didn't come, they are not using it. You can clap for yourself. Okay, so you are all using it. We are same parts. We are different parts. So, okay, then give explanation. Just give me explanation. How we are better?
We are realizing.
We are realizing what? that GRT pizza is better than Estanchi or what's that, Park Plaza pizza. Yeah, this one I appreciate. Therefore I said you are great. You are all. Therefore you are using sixth sense. But what about discussing about what? Other things. Tell many other things. What about politics? About cinema? About cricket? About this? About, but what is the purpose? What is the purpose behind all other discussions? All other discussions ends up in these four things. It's all discussion is to defend you, protect you, to enjoy meeting, to enjoy sleeping. That's after same story, right? Every conversation, every SMS, every movie, same discussions. What do you know? Everybody agree? We are animals? Please raise. Or if you have still problem, okay, give me questions. Ask questions. We are satisfied. We are satisfied. So animal is also satisfied. For what? They are also happy. They are satisfied for everything. We are also satisfied for everything. You are not satisfied. For what you are not satisfied? Then give some example. Give some example. We are not satisfied with one girlfriend. We want more girlfriends. We are not satisfied with two wives. We want more wives. So be blessed. So you can explain me, no problem. This is going to be an interaction class. We are learning more, we are trying to learn. Someone is interested, they can ask. So any other questions? Any other points? Everybody agree we are animals? Advanced animals. Modern animals. Help.
நம்ம வந்து யாருக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்றோம், எதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்றோம், நல்லதா கெட்டதா அதை நம்ம அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணணும்.
நல்லதா கெட்டதா அப்படின்னா, நான் எனக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணா நாளைக்கு எனக்கு சாப்பாடு போடுவானா, நாளைக்கு எனக்கு தண்ணம் கொடுப்பானா, நாளைக்கு எனக்கு காப்பாற்றுவானா, நாளைக்கு எனக்கு அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவானா, அந்த ஹெல்ப் தான் நம்ம பண்றோம். இது நாளைக்கு நம்ம யாராவது நம்மளுக்கு பண்ணா அவனுக்கு நம்ம ஹெல்ப் பண்றோம். மிருகமும் அதே மாதிரி தான். This is called mutual agreement. Sorry, யாரெல்லாம் சிக்ஸ் சென்ஸ் ப்ராப்பரா யூஸ் பண்றாங்களோ அவங்க அனிமல்ஸ் கிடையாதுப்பா. No, I appreciate you people, but those who didn't come for session class, other first year students, other second years, third years, அவங்களுக்கு வந்து நம்ம பேசணும். You are all, I agree, you are all Paramahamsas, saints of GCE. GCE, ஆஸ்தாமிகள், சாமிகள். Okay. Any other points? Sona College ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் asked, sir, என்ன சார் இது சாப்பிடுறது, தூங்குறது, உடல் வச்சுக்கிறது, தற்காத்துக்கிறது, ஓகே சார். குவாலிட்டி அப்படின்னு ஒன்று இருக்கே சார். மேபி சேம் ஆக்டிவிட்டி, பட் தேர் இஸ் குவாலிட்டி சார். ஒரு பண்ணி எதை கண்டாலும் திங்கும் சார். பட் ஒரு மனுஷன் அப்படி கிடையாது சார். T-shirt, puts apron, nicely sits on the table, chair, decently eats. பக்கத்தில் இருந்த ஃப்ரெண்ட் அப்படியே நான் சாப்பிடுறது அப்படின்னு கேட்டான். பட் எங்க டிஃபன் பாக்ஸ்லாம் பிடிங்கி சாப்பிடுறது இப்போ எப்படி பேசுறது அப்படின்னா. So I don't know what was problem between two of them. So he was trying to hit the point that qualitatively we are different. Maybe same, but still there is difference in quality. But how much? Let's analyze a little bit. Sometimes humans also have no discrimination power. Anything they see, they eat. They have no discrimination power. Vegetarian or non-vegetarian.
Always,
sometimes, always. Sometimes 1%, and most of the times 99%. How it goes? Let's see. Let's analyze. Okay, I agree. Same thing you are also telling. So we don't discriminate whether this is hygienic food or unhygienic food. Is vegetarian, is non-vegetarian. So there is no such discrimination. We also eat sometimes anything and everything. And different box, different box, and the thing it is. So, but even animals, if you see, they have lots of discrimination power. Say for example, you go to Agraharam, there is a poem there. I don't know how many of you are aware of it. Everywhere poem is famous. And poem means pigs are there. So you go to some pig and say to pig, Mr. Pig, உங்களுக்காக நான் முந்திரி பருப்பு நெய் போட்டு அல்வா பண்ண வந்திருக்கேன், தயவு செய்து இதை சாப்பிடுங்க அப்படின்னு கொடுத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, you know what pig will respond? No sir, thank you very much, எனக்கு மலமே இருக்கு போதும். And therefore whenever they see that stool, they are running behind. They have competition who will eat more. They have also what is round table conferences trying to analyze that எந்த இடத்துல எந்த கோவத்துல மலம் வந்து டேஸ்டியா இருக்கும், சூடா கிடைக்கும், எத்தனை மணிக்கு போனா so they also have all these discussions. As you said, we discuss so many things. They also discuss so many things. So which place you get tastier stool and hot stool, fresh fresh stool. So they also have all this discrimination power. So they also have these conferences. They will think, you see, this Agraharam area is shop area, and if you want to eat stool there, you have to come after 11 o'clock because shops will open only after 10:30. So you have to go to housing area. But if you go to GC, GC college kitta, the Vedra college kitta ponana, all these students, they wake up 8 o'clock. So if you want to go there, go 8 o'clock. Don't go before that. Everybody will be sleeping. So they also have all these discussions. So what is the use? So and we also, so they cannot understand. So they eat this too and they think they are happy. They are fighting for it. Sanda podran. And moreover, மனுஷங்களை பார்த்தாங்க அப்படின்னா பண்ணிங்க ஆச்சரியமா பார்க்குறாங்க, இப்போ நாங்கள் எதுக்கட சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு வர மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க. They are wondering why these humans are not coming. They are wondering, they are shocked. So we can see they are also happy. Otherwise, if they are not happy, how they will be fat? Because they are eating so much, they are very fat. So otherwise, how they will be fat? And they don't come and fight for your pizza. So அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? நம்ம பீஸா சாப்பிட்றதுனால நம்மளுக்கு என்ன சந்தோஷம் வருதோ அதே சந்தோஷம் தான் ஒரு பன்னி மலம் சாப்பிட்றதுனால வருது. Happiness is same. And don't think that because I am eating pizza in Park Plaza, I am having better happiness. It's the same thing. And once you sleep, you don't know where you are. You forget. தூங்கின பிறகு எங்க படுத்துட்டு இருக்கோம் யாருக்காவது தெரியுமா? No, we forget. So whether you sleep on the road or sleep on the AC, you forget. So a dog also sleeps. ஒரு கழுதையும் தூங்குது. தூங்கின பிறகு அடுத்த நாள் it gets energy. அதுக்கு அடுத்த நாள் கழுதை மாதிரி வேலை செய்யுது. We also sleep. We get energy. We also work like donkey. So and then mating, I already said. So we also mate, they also mate. But sometimes, as Aravind said, they have restrictions. But we are so crazy that we have no restrictions. So marriage is not problem. Anika சொன்ன மாதிரி மனுஷ சமுதாயத்துல marriage is there. மிருகங்களுக்கு marriage. So marriage is not an issue. But outside marriage, to have sex is something questionable. So we will discuss more about it and differently. So we do everything. படிக்கிறது, கஷ்டப்படுறது, உழைக்கிறது, projects, assignments, எல்லாமே இருக்கு அப்படின்னா ultimately to earn money and to defend to do these four things. Animals also do these things. So quality கூட பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா happiness is same. Don't think we are getting better happiness. Just because I am using Moods condoms, don't think that you will have better happiness. Same happiness. What a pig is getting happiness by having sex, we also have same happiness. It's nothing different, same thing. So, and all sorts of hybrids. Treatments, they also have their own healing process. They also get injured, they also get recovered. and okay, we get super specialty, fast treatment. After getting fast treatment and super treatments, we do eating, sleeping, bathing differently. So what's the use of having those treatments? Arun, tell me. Want to say something? You want to teach me? Animals also think so much. They also have discrimination power. ஒரு பூனை யோசிக்கும், எந்த வீட்டுக்கு எத்தனை மணிக்கு போனா முதலாளிக்கு தெரியாமனா கால் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Future plan, or this 5 years plan, future plan. They also. So now, okay, we are fed up, right? So you all agree, your animals? Friends will ask you, என்னடா சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க first day science of self-realization class? Go and tell, we are all animals. No. You say those who are attending science of self-realization class is not animals. You are animal because you didn't attend. You can tell them because we have proof now. Tell them whatever they have, they do only for these 4 things. They don't use anything beyond that. So therefore, we are expected to go beyond that. So we can see that all these 4 things are available even for the most abominable species of life. In eating, sleeping, when animals have rational power and intelligence, animals are sometimes better than humans. This is another point. Sometimes animals have better power than humans. You know that? Don't think only you can play those cap games. They have also so many games. Don't think only you can play very nicely. Animals have so many games. So sometimes they are, having so much superpowers. Can anybody list few of the examples where animals excel humans? Horse, while running, dogs, affections, okay, bats, sound. By sound they can detect things. Very sensitive.
Monarch butterflies flies from Moscow to Brazil, sir. It does not know the road. Flies from Moscow to Brazil and then dies. Its child starts its journey there. But how does this process continue?
Yeah. So amazing things. Then any other example? So many amazing examples are there. How?
Tortoise can live 300 years.
Sorry?
Tortoise.
Tortoise can live 300 years. Okay. Huh? Sorry? 2000 tons. Tons? Pressure. Oh. Then?
அதை விட ஆம்பல் வந்து weight அதாவது
The strongest species. You see? While you are competing, 3 packs, 7 packs, 24.5 packs. Forget it. The hands are very better. Okay then. Cows are helpful. Bulls are helpful. Farmers, okay. But there are so many examples where animals excel humans.
Elephants can detect anything by smell.
Detect anything by smell, okay. Anything else? Elephants? Nyamagasakti. Okay, remember it's correct. Any other examples? Dolphins, they can communicate with another dolphin which is 200 kilometers far. They have such a communication power. So sometimes we see animals excel. Any other example? Lion when hit 3 kilometers. It sounds echoes. See, then so many examples. Now we have where animals.
They can understand. Dogs can understand the symptoms of earthquakes.
Symptoms of earthquakes. We have so many technological advancements. When earthquake will come, never they will diagnose it. Whenever it will not come, they will give warning. No? Thanks a lot. Okay. Or even some use is there. I appreciate. Don't misunderstand me. But point is, even if they give warning and even if they protect us, after saving our life, we do same 4 things. That's the problem. And moreover, I'll tell you one thing. We'll just finish the class in few minutes. So like this, we can see that there are so many things where animals sometimes superpower is humans. So scriptures point out. Scripture means you know what I mean? Huh? Books of Upanishads. Ancient books. Okay, Shastras. You know there's a famous university, Shastra University. Shastra Madrima. Shastra means Shastra na? Huh? Shastra. Heart attack. Huh? Shastras means guidelines. Difficult. What? Morals. Okay, scripture means Vedas. Vedas means Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads, Puranas, Itihasas. It includes also Bible and Purana. Okay? Any bona fide authorized scriptures is accepted. Okay? The scriptures point out that if we spend all our time then we are no better than animals. So without real religious principles, we are no better than Vipala Pashu, animals with two legs. So animal can inquire about these four things. Animal can inquire about eating, sleeping, mating, different things. A human being, what he can inquire? Money, all these already we discussed, no? Ultimately, money for what? Same four things. So what extra power he has? என்ன கேள்வி கேட்கலாம் மனுஷன் எப்போ சார் கிளாஸ் நிறுத்த போறீங்க பிரசாதம் கொடுக்குறேன் நீங்களே கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா நோமோ So what you will ask? You can inquire about what is his life and death. Let's see. So what is this? Kazapugare, correct? Shop. So you can see a goat there eating smooth. So a goat there. So a goat there is happily eating some food, grass and other vegetables. Now, you know what is it thinking? Wow, good day. So much of food and it's happily eating. But what will happen next day? Good day becomes bad day. Biscuit gets over. Good day, biscuit gets over. You know? And next day it will be. So it has no capacity to inquire what is the process to stop death. It takes all measure to stop death. You know, அது வந்து சாவடிக்கும் போது அதுவும் தற்காத்து கொள்ளும் அதுவும் டிஃபெண்ட் பண்ணும் எல்லாம் பண்ணும் but it doesn't future plan about how to ultimately stop death, you know. So when I ask you people, you know, okay, stand all mechanical students, I have gulab jamun, I'll give you one gulab jamun and I'll cut your throat. So do you expect that all people will stand in the queue? No. Immediately will fight and run away, right? Somehow. So we have the discrimination power, but animals, they have no thinking capacity. So we are all busy in so many activities, but it's all called as waste of time because animals also have all these things. Even a pig is enjoying sex, a buffalo is enjoying sex. Even a pig is eating everything palatably according to his desire. So they also have enjoyment, they also have family, they also have feelings, love stories, duet songs. Without condoms, they are very happily enjoying sex, free sex, unlimited sex, varieties of sex. So we have to struggle whole life, you know, if you want to have sex. But animals, you see, so easily they can have sex. So sometimes it seems that their life is also very easy, you know. So the human birth is most rarely achieved. Sense gratification, eating, sleeping, mating, different things is available even for the most abominable species. So Atato Brahma Jignasa, Vedanta Sutra by Srila Vyasadeva. Anybody know who is Vyasadeva? Veda Vyasa? Okay, few people are there. So though he was the saint who compiled Mahabharata, who had composed all Shastras, all Vedic texts. So he says, having assumed human form of life, one should inquire about absolute truth. You know, we should ask about, and the first day the questions on who is God, who am I, what is in the questions and get the answer. Otherwise there is no difference between a human and an animal. So we should know why I am suffering, how to be happy, what is the real solution. So now, unfortunately, we are busy in so many things. Now we are also trying to solve the problems. Why I am suffering? How to be happy? But our solution is pressure. We are working busy, scientists are working busy to stop all the problems. But you know what is the problem? Problem is they didn't understand what are the real problems. The problems of the scientists is that they didn't understand what are the real problems. So Bhagavad Gita says there are 4 real problems. And how do you define what is real problem? There are 3 criteria you should fulfill to come under the title of real problems. Another criteria is, first criteria is, everybody has so many problems. But what is real problems? That we have to understand. So anybody can say what problem you all have? For some people I am problem now. For some people studying is problem. Exams are problem. Assignments are problem. Ragging is problem. Senior assignment is problem. Loan is problem. So there is no scarcity for problem. But what is real problem? Bhagavad Gita says there are 4 real problems. You know. So ஒரு பிரச்சனை எல்லாருக்குமே இருக்கு அப்படின்னா that is called as a real problem. So சிலருக்கு காசு பிரச்சனை, சிலருக்கு காசு பிரச்சனை கிடையாது. So சிலருக்கு படிப்பு பிரச்சனை, சிலருக்கு படிப்பு பிரச்சனை கிடையாது. These are all not real problems. So எந்த ஒரு பிரச்சனை எல்லாருக்குமே இருக்கோ that is called as a real problem. And யாருமே அதை விரும்ப மாட்டாங்க. ஆனா அதை தடுக்கணும்னு நினைச்சாலும் தடுக்க முடியாது. If they want to stop that problem, they cannot stop. So can anybody guess what are those 4 real problems which fulfills all the 3 criteria? Yes. Okay. Now everybody. I have no problem. Upright. Everybody is upright. Friend. Okay. So it's common to all. Nobody wants it and nobody can avoid it. Let's see what are those 4 problems. So birth, death, old age and disease. Everybody wants to remain young, right? Nobody likes to become old. Therefore we take photographs, and when we become old, we try to sit and think about those sweet memories. So therefore, this old age is a problem for everyone. And whole cosmetic industry is working today trying to prevent this old age, you know. If immediately Aishwarya Rai gets something, some wrinkles here, immediately some plastic surgery, makeup, this. Actually, if you see the cinema stars without makeup, actually many times they look more horrible. You know? So whole cosmic industry will collapse if everybody becomes detachment from their beauty consciousness. This cosmetic industry is flourishing today. You know? Can you say there is some survey done in America? Cosmetics liye romba famous ana cosmetic product enna theriyuma? There is a cream there which says that by using this cream you will become black. That is the top selling cosmetic product in America. They use panna black hair. In India, it is normal. Here cosmetic products they advertise how to become fair and lovely. And both of them they earn money. In America also they earn money, here also they earn money. So everybody wants to do any crazy thing. Those who have straight hairs, they want to make it curly. Those who have curly hairs, he wants to make it straight. So all sorts of extremes. People wants to do so many extreme things, trying to decorate themselves. But what is the use? Anyway, it cannot be hidden for a long time. What do I girls? Okay. And we want to always remain healthy, but sorry to say there are so many diseases. In spite of so much of technological advancements and super specialty hospitals and medicines, still there are so many diseases where there is no treatment, there is no medicines. But நீங்க சொல்லலாம் சார் பல வியாதிகளுக்கு நீங்க ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டாங்க, பட் ஸ்டில் தேர் ஆர் டிசீசஸ். அது ஒத்துக்கிறோம். பட் இருந்தாலுமே இதுக்கு முன்னால பல வியாதிகள் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் இல்லாத நீங்க கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கமே சொல்லலாம். இந்த பாயிண்ட்டை வந்து நான் இன்னைக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ண மாட்டேன். 4th டே ஆன்சர் பண்ணேன் இந்த கொஸ்டின். இன்னைக்கு புரியாது மட்டும் 4th டே புரியும். டெக்னாலஜிக்கல் அட்வான்ஸ்மெண்ட் மட்டுமே நம்மளுடைய பிரச்சனைகளை பிரச்சனைகளுக்கு சொல்யூஷனாக இருக்குமா அப்படிங்கிற கொஸ்டினுக்கு 4th டே யூ கெட் கிளியர் ஆன்சர். பட் ஆனால் ஒன்று மட்டும் நிச்சயம், எவ்வளோ டெக்னாலஜி முன்னேறினாலுமே பிரச்சனைகள் அதிகரிச்சுட்டு இருக்க கம்மியாச்சா? ஓகே. ஸோ இந்த ஒரு பாயிண்ட் நீங்க புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. பட் இன்னொரு பாயிண்ட் நான் 4th கிளாஸ்ல சொல்லுவேன். உண்மையிலேயே டெக்னாலஜி ஹெல்ப்பே பண்ணலை அப்படிங்கிறத 4th கிளாஸ் நான் ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுவேன். ஸோ அது இன்னைக்கு சொல்ல முடியாது. ஏன்னா 3 days கிளாஸ் முடிச்சாலும் அந்த பாயிண்ட்டை என்னால் உங்களுக்கு கன்வே பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே. So wait till 4th class to understand this point. So heavy pains, so many diseases, starvations, and at last, none of them have stopped. So birth, death, old age, disease. These are the 4 major terms. So Bhagavad Gita says, unless one works to, so because we have birth, we have all other problems, economical problem, girlfriend problem, this problem, that problem. So all problems come because we have birth. So that doesn't mean that commit suicide, because even if you commit suicide, you have to take birth. So what is the solution? So Bhagavad Gita says, also understand these are the real problems that are knowledge. So what is the solution now? So there are, apart from these 4 problems, there are other 3 problems called as Adhyatmika Kleshas. Problems due to our own body and mind. Modern disease. So WHO says that the most people are affected in today's age is stress. So stress, before nobody had stress. So Adibhautiya Kleshas means miseries given by other living entities. Mata Jiva Rasigalnala namakku vara prachanaigal like mosquito bites or enemies or terrorists or whomever it is or thieves. Adidevika Kleshas means miseries due to natural disasters. Iyarkai like floods, famines, starvation, no water, earthquakes. So everybody is having so many problems. What is the solution? So medical science, they are trying very hard to give solution to so many problems. So but can a scientist give a full stop to all sufferings? So they have these painkillers, these English medicines. It's so horrible, You take it, temporarily it goes, and again it comes in a different way. Correct side effects. So much side effects. All these antibiotics. So these are the great contributions of our technologies. How much we have to work hard to pay these bills. Before people didn't have mobile phones. In இதுக்கு முன்னால மொபைல், இன்னைக்கு வந்து மொபைல் இல்லாம வாழ்க்கையை இமேஜின் கூட பார்க்க முடியாது. பட் பல வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னால people were living also, but they were living very happily without mobile phones. Correct? And today, because you have to have mobile phone, now you have to pay the bill, and to pay the bill you have to work like donkey. And then because you have to work like a donkey, we have no time for signs of self-realization class. So this is a problem. So we will see more. Okay, I don't know, some problem happened. So one scientist said, now man can fly like a bird in the sky and swim like a fish underwater in a submarine. The only problem is he cannot walk on the land like a human being because of pollution. So இவ்வளோ scientific advancement இருந்தும் நம்மளோட ஆயுட்காலத்தை குறைச்சிட்டாங்க. Number of diseases have increased. People were living long life, peaceful life, happier life. They were living with their parents. There were no stress. There were no economical crisis. All our fathers had 5-6 brothers and sisters, correct? And they didn't think, oh, where my son will be placed? Will he get good company? Will the core companies will come to the college? Will the counseling will go through? They didn't have all these stress problems. I will be able to, pay 4 lakh? No, they were living very happily. So, what is happening? Is it an advancement we are trying to analyze? Okay, a mountain of 6 million tires, they are unable to burn it. So, scientists, Prabhupada will say, I accept. One advancement is there, I appreciate. Scientists have, one advancement I appreciate. What is that? What? Diesel. Cycling their waste. So, what is that one advantage is that he will say, they have introduced all these nuclear bomb and all these atomic bombs by which at one drop they can kill thousands. மரணம் அப்படிங்கிறது ஏற்கனவே இருக்கு. ஆனா இன்னைக்கு ஒரே போட்ல 1000 பேரை சாவடிச்சிடலாம். So they have invented these things. This is not appreciation, but this is something called as sarcastic comment. You know sarcastic comment? Sarcastic? You can check in the dictionary. Sarcastic. So science have invented bombs that can only blast living bodies into pieces, but they cannot create life. So now all these problems are there: birth, death, old age, disease. They have no solution for these problems. So they have only temporary stopgap solutions. So you see this picture here. So that girl is trying to follow that king. She thought he is a king, but we can patch up the problems to fool the people for some time, but the reality will be exposed soon. So this is the old buffalo, but trying to protect himself. So what is this scientific solutions? It's called as stop-gap solutions. Say, I'll just give you one small example. One friend, he had pimples on his face, and he went to an English allopathy doctor, and he gave a cream to apply. 20 days he applied, and gradually, but after 20 days, he got pimples on his stomach. Not pimples, but some other wounds on his stomach. And again he went to the doctor, he gave another cream, he applied there. In 20 days it went, and again after 20 days it came on the legs. But then after some time he went to an Ayurvedic doctor. Then Ayurvedic doctor told, actually, ரத்தத்துல impurities இருக்கு, அசுத்தம் இருக்கு. And he said, அந்த ரத்தத்துல இருக்கிற அழுக்க குணப்படுத்துறதுக்கு நான் மருந்து தரேன். You take that. It will take time, கொஞ்சம் நேரம் ஆகும், but it will cure all the problems permanently. So this is the difference between the scientific approach and the traditional approach. The scientific approach is they try to give a symptomatic treatment. Oh, he is suffering, let me help. But they don't see what is the root problem. மூல காரணம் என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்க்கணும். So இன்னைக்கு டெம்பரரியா பிரச்சனை போலாம், பட் நாளைக்கு பிரச்சனை வேற விதத்துல வரும். So what is the use? So therefore the approach of scientists have some mistakes. So let's try to analyze. So tomorrow we'll analyze more. So although human life is temporary, it offers one opportunity to achieve the highest success. But today, in nowadays time, we are wasting our life in so many ways without inquiring this. So, not Monday, tomorrow Friday we will discuss another subject called Synthesis of Science and Religion. So, we are finishing today's class. So, if anybody has any questions or comments, you can ask. Self-intro of myself. My name is Srinivas Krishna Das. I am from Chennai. I did my schooling there, right about Chennai, and I am here in Salem for past few years, and I keep traveling also. We have Gurukul also here. We have till PhD education in ISKCON. We have all studies there. So we all study those degrees. At the same time, we travel various colleges, schools, villages, different places. We try to give all these seminars to inspire people.